Hi guys, this is Jot. In today's video we are going to check out the Lucullan sponge, which is pretty much the DIY Detail legacy sponge, a copy of it. Or maybe it's not even a copy, but maybe it's made even on the same manufacturing line. But anywho, other than that, for the original DIY Detail legacy sponge, I mentioned that it was a little bit pricey, but other than that, it was all good. I liked it. And this one, as you might imagine, it's a Chinesium, so it's considerably cheaper, and we will see how is it quality wise. I'm going to use it with some rinseless wash, and we'll see what's happening. Let's roll. Got the neighbors sitting knocking on the floor. Got the neighbors sitting knocking. Got the neighbors sitting.
Oh, we're still here, flipping coins about what's to come. It starts getting cold, and we don't know any way out of here. We're trying to understand how it all started to go wrong, but the sea is way too deep. Yeah, it's deeper than we could ever go, honey. We have to be together here in the stormy weather. So why do we hold on, even if it hurts so? It's breaking us apart. I guess we'll never know how it feels to see the shoreline. We have to be together, stuck in the stormy weather. Signs told us how we could reach the other side, and you start to doubt. I don't blame you, 'cause I feel the same. So why do we hold on, even if it hurts so? It's breaking us apart. I guess we'll never know how it feels to see the shoreline. We have to be together, stuck in the stormy weather.
Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the Lucullan sponge, the DIY Detail copy. Let me show you, hope I can, because I cannot see a bit on the screen because of the sun is reflecting. Anyhow, so more or less it's even the same shape, it's cut to the same depth, same-ish type of material, I would say. Just the shape is a little bit different. I suppose it's due to copyright issues, or I don't know. But other than that, it was working fine. It's considerably cheaper than the original. The only thing that I sort of noticed, but it might be only just, I don't know, a particular thing with this one, but the original one here in the middle, where the two foams are married, glued together, maybe that part looks a little bit stronger, but I'm not entirely sure. It's just my feeling. But other than that, I wouldn't be surprised if the Lucullan comes off the same manufacturing line, I don't know, on the night shift or whatever. Maybe Ivan is going to spot this video and will be able to tell, in his opinion, what might be the difference between these two products. But all in all, I can hands-on hard recommend. It does what it's supposed to, and it's much cheaper. Anywho, that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.